This is the final video in the RTCConnect.com series. At this point, all of the groups and locations in your agency should be created, and you can begin using the software features. Here are the timestamps for the different features explained in this video. The home page is the agency dashboard within the system. From this page, you can view the entire agency on the map and select groups or locations to read details for each selection. Selections can be made from the blue selection panel or by clicking on a location icon on the map. You can only select one location or group at a time. The Group Location Details section contains information, notes, scheduling, and other valuable information on your selection. You can also see which locations have an active Guardian alert and communication alerts to help troubleshoot your system. The Options pop-up provides many filters for what is or isn't visible on the map. Gives the ability to zoom in to the selection when clicked, sort the blue selection panel alphabetically, and to show your computer's current GPS location. You can also view the location icon legend, which is what we use to make diagnosing the flashers in your agency more clear. Green locations simply mean that the programming in RTC Connect matches the programming on the time switches that are out in the field. A red location means that they do not match, and it's recommended that a read-write command be issued to send the programming in RTC Connect out to the time switch in the field. A black icon means the latest read attempt was unsuccessful and usually indicates a communication issue. A yellow flashing icon means that the time switch relays are programmed to be on at these locations. A purple icon means that the time switch did not check in at its automatic check-in time to the server this morning. This does not always mean that there is a current communication problem, but if you issue a read-write command to this location and the icon changes to black instead of green, there is likely an issue that needs to be checked out. The blue and gold icons represent locations with active Guardian alerts, and the snowflake icon represents locations that have been issued override commands that we will go over shortly. On the bottom of every web page is a software help guide which covers some of the material in this video in greater detail. The Actions pages, which can be accessed from the navigation panel, provide several ways to interact with the time switches out in the field. The Manual page enables the selections of groups or locations to receive manual on or manual off commands to turn the flashers on or off. The Read-Write page, as referenced previously, is a command that pushes data from RTC Connect to the time switch and receives back from the time switch important information as well. This is often used for troubleshooting, checking communication channels, and after changes get made to the calendar in RTC Connect to make sure that the time switch has received all programming changes. The Override page is used to cancel, delay, or get an early start to programming that is already scheduled. This is typically used for bad weather days when school is either delayed or canceled with little advanced warning. You'll select the groups, then the details for your override, then issue the command. The System Health page is an agency troubleshooting tool that allows you to view and address the different issues that are represented by the color of the location icons. For example, if you want to read-write all of the locations that are red and purple, you simply click those buttons and issue the read-write command directly from this page. Based on how the location icons respond, you can narrow down which locations need to be addressed in the field for troubleshooting and which ones are just fine. The Devices pages are available to view the data from other devices in your agency, for example, Guardians or driver feedback signs. Both of these pages have similar ways to view data graphically and to add notes or make other settings changes. The Communication page lists all of the user-initiated actions and data connections for a location. You can expand entries to view more details like who initiated the command, what time, and what the cell strength was during the communication. Work order reports can be created to track maintenance and send with work crews so that they have all the location information as well as Guardian alerts to help diagnose and troubleshoot issues in the field. Open Records reports can be created for up to a 90-day date range that provides location information, Guardian alert history, communication information, and calendar information to best assist any information request that has been submitted to an agency. Lastly, archives of your information get created each night that a change to groups, locations, or the calendar has been made. You can also manually create an archive, which is recommended before undergoing any major calendar changes. Restoring an archive will revert the agency's groups, locations, and calendar to their statuses at the time of the archive. Other RTC Connect features, such as Guardian data, driver feedback sign data, and communication logs, will be unchanged. We always recommend creating a new archive before restoring an old one, just in case. This is just an abbreviated version of the features in RTC Connect. We strongly recommend downloading the software guide for more details and reaching out to RTC to schedule a demonstration or training of RTC Connect. Thanks for viewing these videos. For more information on RTC, please check out our website at rtc-traffic.com.